Shopping is a web application that provides an accurate rating on the climate friendliness of an e-commerce product online. In case the product is not that climate friendly, other climate friendly alternatives are suggested based on the brand, quantity, or other specifics such as size and color of the product. Our application works based on the website URL and the description inside the website. It scrapes the website to find out what materials are used in making the product, the quantity of the product, and other specifics. It then combines all of that to give out a climate friendliness rating. The ratings and values of specific products or materials are based on LCA, life cycle assessment of those products. Life cycle assessment is a process in which the carbon emissions throughout the entire product's life cycle is checked out. We use this to find out the values for our products, materials, or the industries we're working in, and then we input those in our formula to give out a proper rating, which is accurate. Formula we used to calculate the rating of our products or materials is carbon emissions of a material divided by the carbon emissions of the industry, which is multiplied by 100 to give out a percentage rating, which we then input in our program. We built a framework in which we can change or add the values of other products and existing products. In our framework, we are able to also expand to other categories. Currently, we are having values and materials from 5 different product categories, and we intend to expand to new categories over time. Our solution allows consumers to create proper demand for businesses to produce more sustainable products. It also allows consumers to create more informed decisions on the basis of eco-friendliness. It is promoting Goal 12, responsible consumption and production of the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations. We provide consumers with instant factoring of sustainability, which allows them to easily shift to a more sustainable lifestyle. Finding out the LCA values for all the products and then integrating it into our database took us a lot of time and was really hard for us. We also took a lot of time to create the recommendation system, as we needed to have a personalized and proper system in which the system was able to identify the product and try to find out similar products easily and quickly. Creating a recommendation system took a lot of time, as we had to create personalized recommendations for different kinds of categories. Then we also had to find and integrate the LCA values into our database, which took time for us, as we also had to figure out how to modify the LCA values easily while creating the framework. Brainstorming, looking at new ideas, or pivoting to other ways allowed us to overcome these obstacles during our research process. Our genuine interest in the project is what allowed us to complete it and take part in the International Science and Engineering Fair. I believe that whenever you're trying to do research, you have to be genuinely interested in the research problem that you're trying to tackle, or else you won't have the motivation to complete your research. With all that said, here is a demonstration of our project.